Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with another video in which one recipe, that is oatmeal choco chip cookie recipe, and beautiful fall color scenic clips from in and around my location. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. At first, I prepared all the ingredients ready before I start my work. This cookie is a very tasty and a very chewy and soft cookie. Sure, give it a try. In a bowl, I am sifting 1 cup plus quarter cup of flour. To that, I am adding quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon of cinnamon. Sift it and keep it aside. Now I have taken 2 eggs and sugar, brown sugar and normal sugar. Brown sugar is I have taken 3/4 cup and normal sugar is just quarter cup. It can be white sugar also. At this time itself you should also add butter, but I forgot, I added it at the end. You can add butter right away now. I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then followed by all the dry ingredients which we kept prepared. We will mix and beat it together. Nicely give it a good mix until this time. You can use your beater. After this, just a spatula will also help, no worries. Now I am adding 2 cups of rolled old-fashioned oats and 1 cup of walnuts. Walnuts should be nice finely chopped. Don't forget to add the butter like how I did, but no worries, very soon I realized that I didn't add the butter and I will be adding it along with the choco chip. I have taken 1.5 cup of choco chip. These are semi-sweetened choco chip and butter is 1 cup. Nicely give it a good mix. The cookie dough will be very much ready. You can just keep it for 10 minutes until the oven gets heated up. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Take any scoop of this kind or even an ice cream scoop will do. Just make small balls with even intervals. Keep it apart in the baking tray. And I am also placing some choco chip on the top. This is optional, but they will look really very beautiful as they melt and get baked. Even those choco chip will be prominent on top. Bake these cookies at 350 Fahrenheit only for 10 to 11 minutes. Not even a single minute over it. Instantly when the cookies are ready, take them out and keep them to let it cool. Don't leave them in oven, otherwise they'll become dry and hard. These cookies are perfect one for morning with a cup of hot milk to satisfy everybody's sweet palate all day long. Now I am sharing the beautiful scenic fall colors in and around my community as well as outside the community. Whenever I went for either shopping or even for walking, I just took few clips and added it for all of you to enjoy. Hope you all like it.
Been long since last touched.
Hope you all enjoyed these fall colors and also loved the cookie recipe. Sure, give it a try and leave a comment how you like these cookies. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered.